What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it looks kind of dark right now. It is really early in the morning. It's 5:50 a.m. I am about to train my first clients for the day, and I want to show you guys where I'm training at now. If you haven't seen my Instagram or any other of my social medias, then you probably don't know that I'm training at an awesome gym called Fast. I am super excited. I have looked up to this gym since before I was certified. All the trainers here are so amazing. I can't talk enough about them. They're so amazing. I'm just so excited to learn from them and to learn from this place, and I'm excited for this next chapter in my life. So I'm hoping I can show you guys around the gym. I'm hoping that the trainers are here so I can introduce you guys. But yeah, I'm super excited. Get ready for some awesome videos, for some awesome footage. Yeah, guys, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, happy Friday, guys. Just got done with my first set of clients, so I am about to run home because I have a little bit of space before my next clients. So yeah, I'm going to run home, make breakfast, and then I'll be back to work out and then train, and then I'm going to go to Tahoe with my cousin today. So yeah. What you doing? Are you hoping food drops? Introducing everyone at Fast. This is one of the owners, JJ. Go ahead and tell a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm JJ Milan. I'm from Reno, Nevada. I played football in college here at Nevada. I also played in the NFL for about 4 years. Moved on to training, started a business, and I've been doing it ever since.
Nice, thanks. Alright guys, so the next trainer I'm going to introduce is Megan. So go ahead and tell a little bit about yourself, Megan.
Hi guys, I'm Megan. I was born and raised here in Reno. I graduated from Galena and I played softball at Nevada. Graduated in 2013.
Nice, thank you, Megan.
Oh, guys.
Alright guys, so I have Bree next. Go ahead and tell a little bit about yourself, Bree.
Hi, I'm Bree. I'm a trainer here at Fast. I grew up in Reno. I'm a bikini competitor now, and I still play some beach volleyball.
Nice, thank you, Bree. So I have the other owner, Carlos. Let me adjust this.
Are we rolling right now?
Yes, we are.
We're rolling right now.
Yes, right now we're rolling. Go ahead and tell a little bit about yourself, Carlos.
I'm Carlos Madrid. I'm one of the owners of Fast MD along with Jeremiah Milan. Sorry, my hair usually looks way better than this, but I've been rolling. So it's a pleasure for us to have Allie here. I've been checking her videos out for a while. Not stalking, just checking out for hiring purposes. But we love to have her. Come see us at Fast MD. Come take her boot camps. Come take her classes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I have Nicole and Eric. Go ahead and tell a little bit about yourself, guys.
Grew up in Colorado, moved to Reno about 3 years ago. I played college soccer and I love training at Fast.
Nice.
Fallon Greenwave, Track Life, and Allie's a shit.
Thanks. Alright guys, so I almost forgot Austin. He is another trainer here at Fast. Go ahead and tell my subscribers a little bit about yourself.
Former athlete, love to do jiu-jitsu, and I love to train and help people. That's about it.
All right, thank you.
I'd save the best for last, right?
Yes, that's right.
I'm gonna finish with some, well, I just did some cardio that you saw. I did the Stairmaster. Right now I'm gonna finish with the treadmill. I don't want to be too sweaty before my last clients because they're gonna be like, what the heck? But yeah, let's do this. Yay, we made it. It's so beautiful. I can't believe this is a 20-minute drive from where we live. Mom stuff. So pretty. Okay. Alright guys, we made it to Tahoe. It is so beautiful with my cousin Danny. Hey guys. Enjoying the sun. It's so nice. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in.